Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, a triple welcome to you. This time, we will stay in the kitchen and we will cook this yummy, easy to prepare dish. It's high in protein using a meat substitute. So let's do it together. Come and join me. Yes, we're out of the gym today, no workout. We will just prepare this healthy choice, delicious dish, and that's our ingredients. Heat the coconut oil in medium heat. Add the mifu, the meat substitute, and fry it for about 2 minutes or until it's golden brown and a bit crispy. A bit crispy but not dried out. Then add your chopped onions. Mix well and cook for about a minute. Now you can add the celery and the ginger. Mix it well. Chopped garlic goes in. Guys, it's smelling so good. Now we will put half cup of the mixed beans, that's edamame, and the green tea with pepper and corn. Add the soy sauce, seasoning it, and squeezing all of my leftover piripiri marinade. Actually, that's really good for marinade, but now I use it as the seasoning for this. It's really great. And a drizzle of honey goes in to balance the taste and for sweetness, of course. 2 tablespoons of water, just tap water to keep going so it doesn't dry out, and cover it. Cook for about 2 minutes. Give it a squeeze of lime juice or lemon juice. I use a quarter of lime. That will balance the sweetness, the saltiness, and the fiery taste of the chili. And lastly, sprinkle with fresh herbs. I use fresh parsley and coriander. Guys, so yummy! Thank you for tuning in, guys. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you. I'll see you in my next video or check out my other videos in this channel. Take care. See you soon. Bye for now. Oh yes, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this one and feel free to share it to your friends and family. Bye!